Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. Hey everyone, we've got arguably the most popular muscle car there is, a 1970 Chevelle SS454. This one's from down south. It's body off the frame restored, and there's a 4-speed shifter sitting there on the floor. If you go to volocars.com, that's where you can read all the specs, study over 100 pictures, get the price, not only on this one, but we have a few hundred collector cars that are all for sale at volocars.com. If you enjoy watching the videos, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you click on the bell icon, you'll be notified as the new videos are posted. Right now, let's go for a spin in this 454 4-speed. Yeah, this was an Atlanta, Georgia built car. I bought the car in Tennessee, so it's lived down south, and the floors will show that. It's super clean metal. From what I can see, the floors are as dry as a chalkboard. The inner rockers, the lower inner quarter panels, the factory spot welds, the seams are crisp. I mean, it's just clean, dried metal. Really nice underneath. The front end's completely rebuilt. They did upgrade it with some fat tubular control arms, so it's all new. The bushings, springs, shocks, ball joints, it's all new. This car has the F41 suspension, which means in back it has the boxed control arms and it has sway bars. It's got a new fuel system. You look up at the motor, it still looks new. The starter, the motor mounts, the Muncie 4-speed transmission, the linkage, all that stuff is clean. Has an aluminum drive shaft going back to a 12-bolt rear end. I don't know if I just mentioned the fuel system's new. Of course, it has disc brakes in front. The emergency brake cables are all hooked up. So underneath, the car is real nice. I think it has a Flowmaster exhaust system on there too. It does, with the cowbell tips in the back. So the body's really nice. You get down, you look down the sides, over the roof, anywhere you look, this thing's straight. It's not wavy, it's not ripply. I've not seen any bad areas. I've not found bubbling or cracking. It's actually a really nice body and paint. Smooth all along the bottom. The doors fit spot on. They're nice and flush and square. This is slick. Even down here, it's smooth to the touch. Even the stripes, they're painted on with the proper dimensions. You don't feel them. This is called Green Mist. I think it's a beautiful color. You don't see it. No vinyl top. So it's just a nice looking car. The metal flake is all laid out evenly. It's not cloudy or blotchy. And then it has a clear coat finish that's really glossy and smooth. So again, real slick body and paint. Looks like the stainless moldings were replaced. It's the original window. There are some light scratches in it. The bumper and the pad. Tail light has a little chunk out right here. But that's all real nice. That's the cowbell tips I was talking about. Trunk fits real nice. The wheels, I'm going to say they look like they're new. That new trim, they're painted real nice. New lug nuts. BFGoodrich tires, they feel like they're new. They got tons of tread. New window seals, door handles, mirrors, emblems. Up front, it has a new bumper, and the headlight bezels look new. It's got new hood pins, new windshield. It's a 454. Now these days they refer to engines by liters. That's 7.4 liters. That's huge when you compare to new cars with their 2.0 liters. So it's a 454 motor, very healthy. You'll hear it in a second. This thing sounds like it's got some giddy up and go. I talked to George. He did the test drive video on this car, and he said this one is one of the good ones as far as how it functioned and drove and shifted. No issues. So anyway, getting back to the motor, it's got to have a hot cam in there. You'll hear that. But it's got new aluminum heads. It's got headers, Edelbrock aluminum intake, a dual feed Holley carb, HEI ignition system. The The alternator looks new, the pulleys look new, the power brake system looks new, the power steering looks new, and everything's here. It's got the horns, it's got the washer bottle, a Delco battery topper. The interior is nicely restored. The jambs are nice. Bottom of the door is clean. New weather strips. This is glossy. All new upholstery, door panels. Clean trunk, painted aqua and gray. It's got a mat, it's got a weather strip. This is real nice and glossy. The jambs are painted glossy. So good looking trunk compartment. It does have the new carpet. It has the proper boot with the bezel for the 4-speed. And it is a bench seat shifter that's in there. Deluxe steering wheel's new. It has a really nice dash panel. It is the SS dash with the round instruments. They did put an aftermarket tack and a temperature and oil pressure gauge in where the factory hole is. So nothing was cut, but they are aftermarket gauges. It's got a retro stereo in the dash, has reproduction floor mats. Getting back in here, the wiring's real nice. Chrome valve covers and air cleaner are nice. The wiper motor looks clean. So it's a nice looking motor compartment. All the metal is all smooth, not pitted or flaky at all. It does have the rubber splash shields down over the suspension. Got some water spots here, but this is a real nice motor compartment. The headliner has been replaced. The dome light has an LED light. Visors, the mirror, the dash pad, that's all been replaced. So, like I promised, I'm going to fire it up for you. Hear that cam? It's got that nice lopey sound. I haven't even touched the gas pedal yet. It's idling all on its own. The cameraman's probably mad at me for blowing out the speakers, but it's snappy too. It's just real responsive. There's no coughing, no hesitation. Oh yeah, it sounds even better back here. Yeah, it's snappy. Just bam. So anyway, go to volocars.com before someone else beats you to it. 70 Chevelles typically don't last too long around here. And on our site, there's plenty of ways to contact the salesman. I just gave you my honest impression of the car. If you have specific questions or concerns, please ask. They can assist you with that. And they'll also help you with all the paperwork, financing, delivery. They can make that real easy for you. Visit volocars.com to get started. If you enjoyed the video today, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and if you click on the bell icon, you'll be the first to see the next one that's posted. Thanks for watching.